Hey everyone, Andy AI Swede here. Welcome back. In the first part of this tutorial we used Suno to create a beautiful 2-minute love song for that special someone. Now it's time to take it to the next level and turn that snippet into a full-fledged song they will never forget. But first, I'll give you a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Most love songs follow a basic structure: verse, chorus, bridge, chorus. And we already have a great foundation with our 2-minute Suno creation, which includes verse 1, chorus and verse 2. Now, let's explore how to add the missing pieces in the rest of our lyrics. Suno makes it incredibly easy to extend your existing song. Simply select your initial creation and use the extend function. The extensions are up to 1 minute, so I usually extend with 1 or 2 paragraphs at a time. So let's start by inserting our chorus and our bridge. And then I'm going to leave everything here as it is. Leave the style of music, leave the title, and leave the extend from the end of the song, which is by default chosen. So once I press generate, Suno will make 2 versions called part 2. Let's give them a listen.
Your strength shines through, resilient and unwavering, my love for you. Lift me up, inspire me, be my best. With you by my side, I'm truly blessed.
Let's see the second one.
I am my love, my
Well, I like the first one here, so I think I'm gonna go with that. I will put in the lyrics for the last chorus. And here I will also add within square brackets, which functions as a command for Suno. But it doesn't work all the time. I put powerful instrumental ending. And let's see. Let's go to first one, listen.
I am my love, my adventurous queen, with a kind heart and a spirit so keen. You're my love, my anchor, my guiding star. Together we'll conquer no matter how far. Through trials and tribulations, your strength shines through, resilient and unwavering.
Let's see the second one.
I am my love, my adventurous queen, with a kind heart and a spirit so keen. You're my rock, my anchor, my guiding star. Together we'll conquer no matter how far. Through trials and tribulations.
No, I don't like the singing here after the chorus, so I will put in no singing and make another try. Sometimes you have to try and retry and until you're satisfied. Let's hear the first one here.
I am my love, my adventurous queen. No matter how far, for trials and tribulations, your strength shines
No,
through.
let's see the second one.
I am my love. How far? Through trials and tribulations, your strength shines.
No, I don't like any of this. So I think I'll listen to the first one, part 3 again here.
My rock, my anchor, my guiding star. Together we'll conquer no matter how far.
I'm actually gonna try to generate an instrumental ending after the song stops here at 30 seconds. So I can actually extend from anywhere in a song as long as I put in the time code, put in 0:30, which is time code from where I want to extend the song. I remove the lyrics, I choose instrumental, and the rest I leave as it is, the style and the title, and extend. Let's see. Okay, let's give the first one a listen here.
You're my rock.
No, let's see the second one. Perfect. That's the one I need. So to stitch it all together, I simply press Get Whole Song. And as you can see, soon we'll mark the versions included from each part and generate one track with the full song. So here we have our finished song, 3 minutes and 43 seconds long. Let's give it a listen.
Those wild nights, I see universe unfold, galaxies of love, stories yet untold. Your captivating smile, a beacon in the night, guiding me through darkness, filling me with light. On you're my love, my adventurous queen. We'll will keep hand in hand with wander through its own breath, living still. Our love will stand. I am my love, my adventurous queen, with a kind heart and a spirit so keen. You're my rock, my anchor, my guiding star. Together we'll conquer, no matter how far. Through trials and tribulations, your strength shines through. Resilient and unwavering, my love for you. Lift me up, inspire me, be my best. With you by my side, I'm truly blessed. I am my love, my adventurous queen, with a kind heart and a spirit so keen. You're my rock, my anchor, my guiding star. Together we'll conquer, no matter how far.
Suno just released the ability to download your song in WAV format, with a much higher bitrate than an MP3. Now, to perfect our song, I like to master it with BandLab, which you can use for free, and there are different settings. Yeah, you head over to bandlab.com and you can make a free account, sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or with your telephone number or your email. And once you're signed in, press those 4 dots and choose Mastering. And now we will upload our downloaded WAV file with a track. You have different settings here for the mastering: universal, fire, clarity, tape. There are some differences, but I usually go with universal, and here's the original and then the mastered. So you can choose which one you like, but I normally go with universal. And if you press download, you get the mastered file as a WAV file. However, if you want it as an MP3 to be able to play it from a mobile phone or such, you can upload it, save it to BandLab, and from there you can download WAV, you can download MP3 from 128 kilobits up to 320 kilobits per second. I'll put links in the description below to Suno and BandLab. So there you have it. Your AI-generated love song is complete and ready to be shared with the love of your life. If you want to make a music video to your love song with free AI tools, make sure to watch this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful. And most importantly, let me know in the comments how your love song turned out.